Like, let's just honestly look. If you want to look like me, y'all, I'm telling y'all. Hey y'all, it's Journeiateja and I'm back with another video. Period. Thank y'all so much for just clicking this video and watching me, because I love a baddie. I love a baddie. In this video, I'm actually going to be crimping my hair and doing my makeup. My makeup routine is highly requested, which is long overdue because they've been asked this, but you know, I haven't had crips in a minute. And if y'all know, I've been having straight hair for a minute, y'all. Switch it up a little bit, y'all. Like when you just look good, you could just do that. Y'all, I'm gonna crimp my hair first and then I'm gonna do my makeup. I have to put on a jacket because it's cold in my house. Y'all, as y'all know, I am, well, people who know me know that I'm in college and I graduate fall of 24. So after this semester, I will only have 2 more semesters, y'all. And when I say I'm ready to just go, I'm ready to go, baby. Like, not even a little bit. Like, when I say I'm ready, y'all, I'm ready to go, for real. Y'all, I decided to stay home this semester. I had some things that I needed to get done and things that I needed to figure out. I'm gonna spray a little bit of spritz on my hair. It's given I need to take smaller pieces, y'all. And I hope they don't get too fucking small, because if it's too thick, it won't fit inside of the crimp. Anyways, y'all, yes, I just decided to stay home this semester because it was just best for myself and like what I was going through. Yeah, I realized a lot being at home. Not gonna lie to you, not gonna hold you. I realized a lot. I'm ready for life to start. Like, I feel like I was at a standstill, but me and Guy, we've been talking. He been getting the girl together. I go back to school. We'll go back on campus in January. I wasn't gonna crimp my hair. Like, I've been looking for these crimps and I'm just not finding them. When I moved out that apartment at my college, I had it was a quick move, so I had moved everything and I didn't remember where I put everything. And we were in the process of moving too, so like everything was just everywhere, and like I really didn't even have the time to like, really just be looking for stuff until I just went out there to get something. And mind you, all my stuff in my apartment is in our little thing. My stuff, I don't want to take none of my stuff out because this is literally like, I'm about to be out of here. Like, I'm literally about to be leaving again. So I was just like, girl, ain't no point in you even trying to move your stuff. So yeah, I just went out there to check to get something and I was just in there finding stuff, y'all. Life has just been lifing, but so has God. Life get life all in one, bookie, but my God is bigger. Like I said, I graduate fall of 2024. I'm ready to go, but I have to go right back to school. So I'm really just in the process of getting my certifications in a few things before I can decide what PA school I'm gonna go to. Y'all, I'm just really like, at first, like, I've always wanted to be an OBGYN. Like, that's something that I've always wanted to do. I realized that's just not what I want to do no more. I've been looking into ultrasound technician. When I said I didn't want to be an OBGYN no more, I turned myself to a physician's assistant that specializes in pediatrics, which it's really out of them two. It's literally out of those two. Either I want to be a PA or I want to be an ultrasound technician. Y'all see that crimp, bookies? Y'all see that crimp? Oh, okay. Because don't act like you don't see it, boo. Because we both see it. So yeah, y'all, I moved back to school, so y'all gonna be getting like moving vlogs and all that, and I'm just excited. I feel like I just be missing out on so freaking much, y'all. Like, since I've been at home, like, I didn't go to homecoming, but you know, isolation is good. Thanksgiving is next week, so I'm getting my hair redone. I think I think I want to do a side part. How many more weeks? I have like, I think 3 or 4 more weeks until I'm out of school for winter break. And then I'll be moving in and stuff like that. So we got some exciting things coming up. Christmas is coming up. Everything is just coming up. I don't know if I want to do Vlogmas. Oh, y'all, look at this. Look at this, baby. But yeah, y'all. I didn't think about how long this was going to take for real. Gonna knuckle up because I fight for mine. Yo, pussy. You wasn't a bad bitch if you wasn't both parts, baby. Parts. If you was not the bitch that the nigga was cheating on, and if you wasn't the main bitch. Y'all know this my shit. What's happening? I love Lotto. I don't care who don't like her. I love her. They thought I was gonna fall off. I hate to bring you bad news. I hate to bring y'all hoes bad news. I've done it all. Feel like shawty low. Laughing to the bang. But shit is not a joke. I like Lakia, y'all. I feel like she slept on a little bit. That girl definitely slept on. So, y'all, this is one side of my head. I ain't gonna lie, that took a minute. We're gonna go ahead and do this other side. This side actually turned out really cute. I haven't combed it out or nothing yet, so that's why I still look like that. I'm literally about to do the exact same thing I did to this side, So, I will actually see y'all when I come back. Cause bitch, I ain't for playing games, but I ain't never played to lose. I low-key like regret starting this. My fucking fingers are like out of there. We finally on the last piece, and my camera about to die, so I'm gonna see y'all in this second when I get done with this. Actually going to start on my makeup, and as y'all can tell, the face is facing, baby. Okay, so I did just buy this serum vitamin C brightening. Y'all see that? It's this. I just got this, and I'm actually about to try it. So this is what it looks like. So yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit of this on my skin. And I got my mirror right here. I don't know, y'all. Do y'all think it's gonna work? Okay, my face is freshly washed. It's freshly washed, and I washed it with the L'Oreal per se. I don't know what it's giving. Is the skin glowing? And now I'm going in with this, and I'm about to put this, a little bit of this on my hand, and put it all over my skin.
Y'all, this lotion by itself do miracles, baby. Like, I would not lie to you.
It's called Confidence in the Cream. It Cosmetics. This is what this is. I put this really underneath my eyes and on my forehead and stuff.
So yeah. And a little bit on my nose. So yeah. Yeah, and when I
say the L'Oreal stuff, I mean L'Oreal Poste, whatever the hell it is, y'all. When I say that shit works, like it literally works. That's basically the base, y'all. So now I'm about to go in with my YALL grip primer. So I'm gonna take this. It is the YALL Power Grip Primer, and this works great on my skin, y'all. It really grips it. And so I just put that in. And I really get it in my nose. In my nose, like right here, because that's where my makeup tends to slide. This is how it's supposed to be. Sticky, icky. After I do all that, I go in with my concealer, and y'all, I only use a concealer. This one is called Deep Chestnut by YALL. Is the hydrating camo concealer satin finish, and I use this because this basically acts as my foundation for real. All like right here. It gives full coverage, okay? I do that and I let that sit for a little bit, and I go in and I spray my foundation brush. I think this is from New Techniques. It's something like that, y'all.
y'all see that I didn't even use a lot.
After I go in with that, I then take a brighter shade of my concealer. I'm going in with the Tan Sand, and I'm just going to put this right here. On all my high points. I normally let all my concealer sit because it needs to get like a little dried up, just poquito, like it's going to sit like that, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna let that dry. I'm going to work on my eyebrows, and I be using the hell out of this. This don't even have no what's it called on it, but I know where to get it from. So I'm just going to brush up my eyebrows, use the gel, the eyebrow gel. And y'all, this gel really get it stick. Like y'all know, I know how y'all be using like got to be glue and stuff, but this hoe really make them stay in place. I just brushed them up, and I'm about to go in and fill them in. Okay, y'all, so since the concealer is already dry, I'm going to go in with the same brush that I use my foundation with. Blend it in a little bit. See? I think I'm probably gonna go in with a little more of a brighter. I'm just gonna go in. And I'm gonna let that dry as well. My eyebrows don't look too bad, but I'm still going to outline them just a tad bit. I'm going to also take this and blend this part.
I blend both of them out with this little thing.
And then I take my beauty blender. I wet it just a little bit. Blend everything out. Now, Now after this, we're going to set it. I set with the Shape Tape setting powder, and I've been using this for a minute. This is the Tarte powder, and I grab my this beauty blender. I did have the pressed powder little thing, but I don't know where it's at. And I put this on literally everywhere where I just put the concealer. Yeah. And I put it on my face. And like I said, this is for normally like the creases and stuff. Baby, it's giving I'm running low, and I am. I'm almost out, y'all. Since I got that done, I'm going to also take my e.l.f. HD powder, and this just basically gives like a overall like sparkly type look. Okay, so now that I put all of that on my face, y'all, I sit over here and look like Brown, Mr. Brown. We're going to be okay. We're going to be okay, because I promise you our makeup will move. And so now I'm going to take my concealer, and I'm going to conceal my face. Now I am looking to get some new concealer, because I use powder concealer, not concealer, contour. I use powder contour, and I mean, it's cool and all. It's cool and all, but I want to get the little sticks. I start right here, and I break it down. And this basically just brings life back to my face. And so then I'm going to go in with the smaller brush that I blended the concealer out with. And I just go in and I brush the powder off. So y'all, after I dust everything off my face and everything, I'm gonna go in Luxury BST Mickey. I get these from the beauty supply store. These are the lashes that I use. These lashes are thin the way that they come. See? The way that they come. I know y'all see that. I'm the type of bitch that like thicker, fuller lashes. So, let me put my glasses on. Can't see for. So I take I take 2 of them off. Mind you, these come in a pack of 7. So I normally have 1 left over, but not really, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, it comes in a pack of 7. I was gonna say I normally have some left over, so I could just use it for another pack with another pack when I get one. So I take both of the lashes and I put them together. And after I put them together, they should look like this. They should look like this. And they're gonna look even thicker on my eye. So I'm going to put the glue on here on my lash. And y'all, I normally use the Duo Lash Glue. I put glue on it and I let it sit for a second. I'm gonna spray my face real quick. After 3 minutes, I got this shit, y'all. I'm gonna take this one and I'm about to put this one on. So y'all see how thick it is? Yeah. This is how I like my lashes. I like my lashes thick. I don't like that skinny, skimpy stuff. Oh yeah, y'all, this pack of lashes is $7.99. So go copy y'all some. My eye about to start watering, bruh. At first, I didn't think blush made like a difference for real until I started using it. And when I say that blush, baby, blush will tee your whole look up, okay? And this blush I'm using is from the Maybelline Fit Me in the color 40. It's the Maybelline Fit Me. And I'm finna show y'all. Y'all finna see. Wait. We gonna take this, right? We gonna cheese. Cheese, hoes, cheese. Look at that. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Boom. Okay, period. Hold on, we ain't done yet. We ain't done. I don't put on highlight because as you can tell, like my face literally already has like a little natural highlight. And me putting highlight, I just feel like that's just overdoing it a little bit. But we're finna do these lips. The Ruby Kisses eyebrow pencil. I'm sorry, y'all. If y'all don't use eyebrow pencil, if y'all think it's ghetto, in the shade dark brown. And I take this, right? And I outline these lips. Okay. And then after I outline my lips really good, I take the NYX Butter Gloss. And when I say it just does this big one, you know? Like it just really just does this big one. And then I take my lip gloss and I put lip gloss over this. I take my Beauty Supply Store lip gloss. It's this. This is my favorite lip gloss ever. So I take this and I put just a little bit because the butter gloss was already a little shiny. This is gonna make it even shinier and seal everything in. I don't really want it to like, you know, like I love like the little beach wave look. So yeah, y'all, this is the look, baby. This is the look. If you want to look like me, y'all, I'm telling y'all, like.
Push P. Yeah, push P. Turn me up. Turn me up, P. Corners in the paddock, get my piece. Push P. Cop new hammers for my P. We don't
like, let's just honestly look.
Drop the data, now we fly.
Let's give a moment of silence. Right now.
She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push P. Push P. On capital P, I write the president, count president. Portuguese on her knees, mopping down a P.
I thank y'all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and hit that bell because you never know when I'm gonna post. My makeup turned out really cute, y'all. Like, this is what I do. Like, I don't wear makeup every day. Let's just say that I don't wear makeup every day, but when it's time for me to like go out and really do myself up, I'm gonna pop my big one every time. If y'all want to see more videos like this, just let me know. Yes, y'all, comment down below what videos y'all want to see. Okay, yeah, y'all see the look. Toodles.